We're doing a little bit more, some more demos of the beater. 4 death penalty 15s and a 6-order band pass wall. Built by Tommy McKinney, King of Bass. Pretty much warning signs. So if you ever want to do a demo, if you're in my area, email me or something. We'll do some demos. I'm always down for that. But we're gonna play a little bit of songs from Wiz Khalifa to Yellow Wolf and E40's new shit to see what it does, just to beat down the fucking truck a little bit. It's over 150 decibels in here, so it's pretty loud. So if a lot of you ain't familiar, I know a lot of people that do 140s, but when you're in the 150 area, high 150 area, it's pretty hard to get that way. So enjoy.
Say it, Joe. It's the champagne pouring, big joint rolling, Bombay sipping, no blunt smoking, bad bitch getting, big bitch, she got some friends with her. I take them out, pouring shots of liquor, drinking out the bottle, smiling at all my pictures. The marijuana louse and them hoes follow like Twitter. Nigga, you know everything, Taylor. Don't rush to the bar, fool, if you ain't got no paper. That's the rules. Has fuck, slap the truck when I'm passing through. Rolling doobies up, we passing through. Get the club, spend this money up. Rolling up one drink after the food. This is what I have to do. On my engine motor roaring when I'm back out the garage. Just like music. Just like music. I can be free, and the beats off the sound that keep me round, doing my thing, constantly with no worries, peace to keep Murray. Just like music, to keep me going, to keep me growing, to keep me from knowing what happens out there. It's not my I don't see how you can hate from outside of the club. You can't even get in. Leg out. Yeah, that shit look.
What do you think you're gonna do with that gun?
I'm gonna get you with it.
Now you give me that gun before you hit somebody with it.
I'll give it to you.
Not bad.
Turn my music up, 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 shit bang, my shit bang, my shit bang, my shit bang, nigga, my shit bang, 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 nigga, my shit bang, my shit bang, nigga, my shit bang, 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 nigga, my shit bang, bang,
Shit bang, my shit throb. I'm a motherfucking beast, I'm a motherfucking hog. Pull up with the slump, or should I say black truck sounding like I got an alligator in the back. Ain't better than nothing. I can like everybody. Like fucking like I be listening all day and night. pushing all night and day, twisting and whipping, yeah, getting my guapole.
Graveyard ship, D-boys don't quit.
Go white girl, it's your birthday. Go white girl, it's your birthday. Yellow wolf man. You don't wanna see me there. Blindside on, bitch, I leave you reading braille. You ain't gotta put your dope away. Got so many hookups, I could pull a motherfucking train. Kitchen full of bottles, baby, tell me what you want again.
Wanna party? I just wanna party.
Drinking ice cold beer with your girl in my ear saying,
I just wanna party.
you know it's smoke in the air. Drinking ice cold beer with your girl in my ear.
Not bad.
Hear the sound of your body drip, drip, drip. As I kiss both sets of lips. Hear the sound of your body drip, drip, drip. As I kiss both sets of lips.
If that means I'm deep up in your ocean, girl, I'll take it down, sipping on your body all night.
Basically, all the YouTubers out there that are with me, thank you.
Say, Joe.
All the ones that hate, fuck you. Get
It's the
loud
champagne
before you talk
pouring.
shit. I've had a lot of
Big
people
joint
run their
rolling,
fucking mouth
bomb
saying that
bass sipping,
my shit sucks, yada yada yada, blah blah blah. But
bad bitch
get into 150 decibel area and then talk shit. Until then, once again, I thank everyone that supports me in the bass movement, and FTP on all the fucking cops that have a problem with us bass heads, because you're never gonna stop it. Car audio is gonna stay forever, just like rap is never gonna die neither. So to everybody, get on my level.
Yo, who we pass them to? Hit the club, spend this money up, roll another one, drink after food. That's what I got to do.